This business was like more than 75 years. Before grandfather came and buy, now his son, now his granddaughter or grandson, he will tell his son that our father buy from this shop, you have to go and you need to support them. When my father started the provision shop, there was no shopping centers. It was more like a complete solution during that time, not only a provision store. Provision shop is a place to meet. They just use the landline to talk to other countries, send some goods to the loved ones in some other countries. We used to mix for them the spices and curry at what ratio they want, and more spicy, less spicy. So many of the hotels we are having their secret spices and they will get from us. My name is Vivek. My age is 24 and I am currently running my father's business, that is this shop. First started is like 1950 around. When he was 13, he entered Singapore. During that time, Singapore was at the starting point and all the businesses was emerging. So everybody needed help at that time. Even us, people get some products and they will not have money, means we used to give some credit for them. The relationship, yeah, it is based on the fully of the trust. From 13 till now, he was fully in the business, mixing the spices or taking care of the customer. I'm still learning only. My father was an expert. Still now also some of the people will go search of my father to get the spices mixed for them done. I wanted to support the customers during this time like this. If I close, it won't be good. Let it be a rainy day or sunny day, let it be a pandemic or whatever it may be. We need to support them because they were supporting us for a very long time. Some customers, they come in, I just want to make a curry for 20 cents, I need some spices. They said, okay, no problem, we give it to them. We see it as like a family business. Because of the human relationship, it will not be vanished. My father, he gave me the choice, it is your wish and if you want to do some other business also, I can support you, he said. But I have grown up seeing this one. We don't see like a boss or an employee or a staff. They will teach me, they will get suggestion from me, even I will get advice from them. It is more like a family situation inside the shop. Business always will have ups and downs. We have to keep something updated. If it doesn't update, our business will obviously vanish. I don't want to change it completely into a new thing. Even we can spend a lot of money also, we cannot get this type of atmosphere. This feels like a home. I can go to any country, stay in a fancy villa or whatever it is, but I cannot get the vibe of the home. The fulfillment which I get here, I will not get it in any other places.